Oh, okay, everybody. Hello, this is my second video I'm posting, but I'm going to try to make this one a video. The other one is just a short. Please keep checking out my channel. It makes me super happy. So I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. I did show you some of them there, but that wasn't all of them. So first I have this so cute little squishmallow. I have all of these mochis. I have some of these mochis. This big mochi. These two balloon animals and this. It's a mochi brand. A bunch of random fidgets. Stress balls. I got spot balls, a DNA ball, 2 Orbeez, one, and this. Please tell me what this is. I'm not really sure. Bobbles, spiky balls. That one's empty. This puzzle ball, zippy bracelets. Not focusing. Infinity cube. 2 snakes, a small snake snappers. And you kind of see what everything else is. I do have specs. Pop tubes in here. Tons of monkey noodles. I have jumbo Nitos and tons of other Nitos. And this one I have Dimples, giant stress balls. And there I got 2 600 poppets and then a 400 poppet. Slime liquor. Other jumbo ones. Tons of squishies. And all the rest of my poppets. Jumbo squishy there. Mini brands there. I'll show you my mini brands in another one. But make sure you subscribe. Give this video a like. And comment down below if you want to see any of my fidgets up close or want to know the names of them. Thank you guys.